The last one is 2016 Donruss Elite. Gonna have 20 packs and I think 4 hits. Should be 4 autos. Actually, I don't. One jersey card and I think 2 autos maybe. 2016 Panini Elite or Donruss Elite. You got tons of parallels in this product too. Base. Here's a rookie parallel to start it off. Maybe that's just a base. Jeff Driscoll. Jeff Driscoll, rookie for the 49ers. Jeff Make It Driscoll. Not numbered. Must be the base auto. Pack 2. Got to insert. Yep, just an insert in this one. Got it etched in time. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. Michael Irvin for the Cowboys. That was not numbered. Next pack. Got a rookie. Rookie for the Packers, Kenny Clark. Kenny Clark for the Packers. Next pack. Got a purple. Purple rookie for the Titans, Jack Conklin. Jack Conklin. That's numbered 4 out of 25. Nice low numbered parallel. Jack Conklin for the Titans out of 25. Next pack feels a little thicker. Either going to be a decoy or the jersey. Yeah. Decoy, but got to insert. Insert for the Chiefs, Jamal Charles. Home field advantage, die cut. Jamal Charles for the Chiefs, die cut. Next pack, still looking for our first hit. Got a rookie. Looks like a parallel. For the Chiefs, Kevin Hogan. Kevin Hogan, numbered out of 199. Like a rain parallel, ice parallel or something. Kevin Hogan for the Chiefs. Next pack. Got a insert for the Chargers, Phillip Rivers. Game face. Phillip Rivers for the Chargers. Still looking for our first hit. I see a backwards one. I think that's going to be a hit. Just the backwards one. Should be our first hit. And it is nice. For the Bills, Colby Listenbee. Auto, numbered out of 99. Excuse me. Colby Listenbee for the Bills out of 99. Pretty nice one. Next pack, Barry. Got a parallel. For the Packers, Randall Cobb. Parallel. Numbered out of 199. That's that ice or that whatever parallel this is. Randall Cobb for the Packers. I think there's just one jersey and one auto left. I think there's 3 hits. Decoy. Got a greatest hits die cut for the Chiefs. Justin Houston. Justin Houston greatest hits die cut for the Chiefs. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11 packs left. Still looking for another auto and a jersey. Got a parallel on this one for the Patriots. Tom Brady. Tom Brady parallel out of 199. Next pack. Looks like we're getting decoyed again. I got a nice one though. Got a rookie die cut. Josh Doxson for the Redskins. Die cut. Don't see a numbering on it, but he's in the college jersey instead of his pro jersey. Not sure if those are short printed or not. Josh Doxson for the Redskins. So we have about eight or 9 packs left. And going to be our second auto. See a backwards one. Just the hit. Here we go. Texans. Nice. Braxton Miller. Braxton Miller for the Texans. Pretty decent one. I think he was 3rd or 4th rounder for the Ohio State Suckeyes. Braxton Miller for the Texans. On-card auto. Nice one. We still have 7 or 8 packs left. I think it's just a jersey left. Could be wrong though. Got an etched in time for the Raiders. Tim Brown. Tim Brown for the Raiders. Next pack. Got a rookie. Rookie for the Redskins, Su'a Cravens. Su'a Cravens for the Redskins. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left. At least one more hit. Should be at least just a jersey left. Got a red. Oh, nice. Red parallel for the Broncos. John Elway. John Elway red out of 49 for the Broncos. Nice one. 4 packs left. Need the jersey card. Thought it was going to be in this one. Decoyed it up. Got a die cut for the Texans. DeAndre Hopkins. DeAndre Hopkins die cut for the Texans. Three packs left. Yep. Here's going to be should be the jersey backwards. Yep, just the hit. Going to be a jersey. Yep, throwback threads. For the Bucks, Derrick Brooks. Derrick Brooks for the Bucks out of 299. Nice one. Derrick Brooks for the Bucks, 299. Nice jersey card. We have 2 packs left. pretty sure the hits are gone. I think there's only 2 autos and a jersey. And we hit those. Hopefully a couple nice parallels though. Oh, that's weird. We got 2 of the same card. I got an Adrian Peterson Red Craftsman for the Vikings, numbered out of 75. Adrian Peterson Craftsman out of 75, along with the base Adrian Peterson Craftsman. Kind of weird collation. 2 Adrian Peterson Craftsman. One's a red, one's a base. And last pack, empty box. Hopefully another nice parallel. Looks like just a rookie. Rookie for the Chiefs, Demarcus Robinson. Demarcus Robinson for the Chiefs.